All right, you trader nerds. How are you? Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds. If you want to join our Discord, look down in the group, in the comments below or the description of this video, and you will see how you can join us. Yes, I am still in my underwear today because I don't feel good still, but that doesn't stop us from having to trade because we got to trade. That's what we do. So we'd love to have you join us. If you'd like to book me for a one-on-one session, there's a link you can do that. Shows you my calendar, and I'm usually open. So that's a good little thing. Or if you'd like to buy the trading plan or the trading spreadsheet, that's available too. So all kind of cool stuff that we got for you. So just look in the description below. All right, so look at the market. It is up 10.50. It was up much more, but just kind of a nothing burger day. We're over at the overnight high right now. We are back to the cash open where we opened, and we're just now above VWAP. VIX is down into the lower 13s, AD at 183, and we don't have any volume. The big green monster looks like we're still fairly priced today. So being fairly priced means that if we hang here long enough, we are going to the 52.74. It is a matter of time, and I feel better about that the longer that we spend above the 5,200 level. Let's look at the linear regression. It's still doing what the linear regression has done and continues to say that we are in an overall bullish pattern, even though we've had some moments of consolidation, a little down market, and then a little consolidation, and now an uptick to the up market. So, y'all okay with audio? Y'all hear me fine? I think I got everything turned up. Okay, good. All right, so everything looks really good. Market's going up, 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 and away. I think that's what it's going to do. So let's see how our little accounts do it. Today is 5/7/24. Let's see if we made any theta decay. And our account now is at 343, 335.50. So fire up the band, Rico. Now, let's see. We're up now over, let's see, we'll have to do it with our deposits and everything included. So we're up over 7% now for the year, which is really good. The market itself is up 8.88%. So, why are we underperforming the other account? I don't know. I've put too many hedges on in this one, I guess. I need to be a little more aggressive in this. Don't put as many hedges on. So let's see what our Greeks and ratios are in this account. First, you see your deltas. So our deltas in this account are 172. That is the equivalent of me owning 172 shares of SPY, or I've got a theta of 52, which means that's the equivalent of me making $52 a day in this account. This seems very low, and we will discover why. 172.56 now. 172.56. Now, when you look at it and you go, wait a minute, Bobby, you were 196 back on the second. What happened? That means we've had GTC, good till cancel orders filled on our hedges. So we're over hedged now. So let's see what it looks like with our buying power. So we're really low on theta. We want to get some more theta in here. So let's see what we're doing on buying power positions. We are at, don't count our bill, we're at 66,419. 66,419. Now, if you thought a impending doom was coming, we are really good. I mean, if you want to make you $56 a day, but I am not in the business of doing this for $56 a day, y'all. I mean, we've already made what's our yearly? How much money have we made? Let's just look at the dollars we made. We made $23,638 this year. So we don't want $56 a day. We want much, much more. So let's see what might have failed. So let's go look here, and we'll go to activity, and we'll look at field, and we'll do this for the last 7 days. Aha! Look at this, y'all. We got all kind of stuff going on. So it looks like on 5/2, we had orders filling. Jojo, I'm in the class, son.
But can I watch it? Can I watch it?
It's up to you, Mama. I don't know. I got no idea.
Mom's not here.
Well, you got to wait till she gets back. She went to get Bubba or something. I don't know where she. So 5-2 was the last time we traded. So it looks like we've got some GTC orders at a fee. I'm not sure the last time we did trade. Let's see, trades. Yeah, we did all of our 5-2 here stuff. We got 5-2. So everything since 5-2 is new. So let's check that out. 5-2. So it's a day order. Okay, that's fine. So we had a GTC order fill on 5-3. We bought 15 puts, y'all, at 73 days. 15 puts at 73 days. $1.55. So let's find those. 15 at 73 days for $1.55. This is kind of hard when you're 15 days, 73 days, wasn't it? Come on, Bob, find them. 73, 15, naked puts, BSH. Here we go, BSH 14. See that? That's where we started BSH 14. So we must have done BSH 14 that we completed the loans on. So let's do that. So we bought 15 loans. And we'll call this BSH 14. And it should be the, let's see, those should be the, where's BSH 14? There it is. Should be the 3150s that we bought. Let's make sure that's the case. 3150s. Yep, 3150s for $1.55. 3150s. And we did it on, let's see, puts. This is a long edge. And we did it on 5-3, 24. So let's see, that would be 73 plus 4 days would be 77 days. And now it should be down to 73. And we bought them for $1.55. Beautiful. All right, good. So now let's go back and let's see what else we did. So that's BSH 14. So let's put those in BSH 14. All right. So we got positions. BSH 14. Not there. Let's see. BSH 14. There's they are. But where are their matching ones that go with it? BSH 14. So let's ungroup these. Ungroup. And then let's go and find the 9-15s and call these the BSH 14. BSH 14. Good. How about that? Now let's go back to our activity and see what else we did. So then we bought 10 at, now that is at 85 days, 10 that is at 85 days. So the 30-50s, 85 days. So that would have been 89 days. And we bought them on 5-3, 24 for $1.55. And let's put these in there so we can figure out how many shorts we got to sell now. Yes. So we did, what do we say, 10? And puts, long hedge. So let's say 30-50. So let's find those 30-50s at 85 days now. So let's go find 85 days here. Here we go, BSH 15. So those were the 30-50s. So now we found the BSH 15s. Good. Look at us, y'all. So now let's go capitalize and put those groups together. BSH 15. Let me find him. BSH 15, here it is. -6, 3100. So ungroup those. Ungroup. And then let's go find them together, shall we? Here we go. 6 and 10, 3100s, 30-50s. And we're going to put those together as BSH 15. This one. It's a lot to keep up with. I'll be honest. A lot to keep up with. All right, so now let's go. Oh, the market is closed. How about that? But not for us futures traders, praise the Lord. So then let's go back to the activity tab. And then look at this, y'all. We had a what you call a harvest. We harvested 3 shorts at 33.50 at 24 days. 33.50 at 24 days. Let's find those 33.50s. 33.50s that we harvest. 33.50s. Here we go. At 24 days. So we harvested those at 20 cents, 0.20. Make sure that's right. Yeah. And we did that on 5/3/24. Good. So we made a profit on that of how much? How much profit did we make? We made $439 on that. So that means we could sell an additional 3 puts, right? We could sell 3. We could sell some additional ones here. We could sell 3 puts. And y'all see how we're growing our little thing. We could sell 9 and we could sell 6. So 9 plus 6 is 15 plus 3 more is 18. Any reason to call it harvest versus just plain old profit on the short put? No reason. I just call it harvest because that's what Mr. Bertino called it. So I kind of kept with his lingo. So we now can sell 18 of these things. So let's see what that looks like. That's a lot of puts, y'all. So we go to the trade tab and we go ES and we go out anywhere past 60 days. So how about we go 66 days? Now you can do 120 days if you wanted to. I'm just filling in some gaps here. 66 days. And let's go down to $3. All right. So we got 305s here, the 4,000s. And we said we could do 18 of them. 16, 17, 18 of those boogers. So let's see if we can get filled there for 310. Boom. So we sold the 4,000, 66 days, 310. 4,000, 66 days, 4,000, 66 days, and 310. So we will call this ES, and I think we did 18, didn't we? 18, and we'll call this, the last one we put up there was BSH 20. So we'll call this BSH 21. This is short hedge. And we did the puts. See how we're growing our things, y'all, now? I mean, we never would have thought doing 18 of these things. But now look at us. We've grown these things to 18. So that's 6 tranches, right? So what we'll do now is we'll go in and we'll put a GTC order on this. Close position, full, at 20 cents. And then we make it GTC. Beautiful. All right. GTC, close that, bugger. So that's 6 tranches. So 6 times 5 is 30. So we want to buy 30. Move our quantity up to 30. So you see how we're getting it now? Remember, I want this one day be 3,000, 5,000 that we're doing. So let's buy 30. And we're going to buy it where we can get these things on for free. And we know $1.55 will do it, right? That's where we've been doing it. And we'll do GTC. All right. Now let's go to our positions. And let's see our 18 that we got here. And we said this was BSH 21. BSH 21. Okay, good. Now, what do we do now? We want to, oh, I'm broke out, y'all. I'm allergic to every antibiotic known to man. And I take them because I had a sinus infection, some old antibiotics I have. So now I'm broken out, but the sinus infection is gone. And I knew if I could just withstand the breaking out for a couple of weeks, that I would, I'd be fine. And so now I stopped it. So hopefully I will unbreak out. But I am a red beet right now. Unbelievable. So what am I doing now? What are these things? We got to put those somewhere, but that's fine. So let me go to my sizing calculator. And my position sizing says that I should be putting on 1.89 positions a week. So we trade this account on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So I need to put on one today, right? So let's do a 111 today. And let's go out and trade at about 120 days. So we got 115. We could put 115 there or 135, but let's try 115. See if we got some areas in here we could put something. Where's my 10% probability of being in the money? Well, we could do this one. Let's just do this one and fill this out. And then the next one we do on Thursday, we'll roll out. So let's do the 4650. I don't like it that we're not getting a big credit for this, but that's fine. 4650. Not there. Not there. 4650. Let's replace the order. 2550. 4650 for 2550. There we go. 4650 for 2550. And I know what you're thinking. Oh my God, Mom, look at this. You got all this stuff. I know. 4650 for 2550. 4650. 2550. 4650. We said 2550. And we're doing this at 115 days. Right? So ES, we did one tranche for those of you that live in Wilmington, Delaware. And this one we're going to call NP28. Puts, this is naked and control colon gives us that. We brought in $1,273. Waka. All right, so now we want to do our put debit spread. Now, y'all, we're going to pay more for this put debit spread because I don't want to overlap strikes, right? So we're going to call this PDS 28. And here's where we're going to put him. We're going to put him. He's a put. We know he's puts. We know he's a debit spread. And we know he's at 115 days. And we know we're doing it today's date. We just don't know the price or we don't know the strikes. So what's this? Now, since I don't want to overlap strikes, I'm going to go closer to the money. Normally, I'm doing a 25 delta, right? So now I'm doing a 30 delta. Probably going to pay about $15 for this thing. Okay, 1375. So that's fine. Let's bump it up to 14. See if we can get filled. And we are filled. While all those poor stock traders can't trade anymore, we futures traders are still going. Isn't that amazing? We trade for 23 hours a day. All right, so we did the 5150, 5100s for $14. 5150, $14. 5150, 5100 for $14. So let's put those in their groups, NP28 and PDS28. Positions. Where are they at? Where are they? Here we go. There we go. So this is naked put 28. And PDS 28. Any questions? This is how you do it, y'all. Portfolio management. To the ilk. Is position size available in the spreadsheet? Not yet. It's not been released to any group yet. Okay, I'm still playing with it. But hopefully in the next month or two, I'll get that posted out there. What makes you bump up the quantity of hedges? It depends on what I just harvested. And whatever I harvest is I just, replace those. Replace whatever the shorts were that I harvested. No exact science to it, but I like to pop it up. Now look what we did. Now we've bumped our theta up to 226. How does that look? Look at this, y'all. 226. All right, Rocco. We're still a little low, but we'll fix that on Thursday. Okay. All right, guys. Great session. Thank you for being here. I love all of you, and I hope you'll be here with us tomorrow. Bye-bye.